Kettlebell Sumo Deadlift type pose. We're going to start with our feet wider than shoulder width, like a sumo wrestler. Have your toes turned out naturally. You're going to start with the kettlebell in between your feet. Come down, reach for the kettlebell. Keep your chest up, look straight ahead. Have your shoulders still higher than your hips and hips still higher than the knees. So from there, you're going to come up to full hip extension as you drive through the heels. At the top, I want you to squeeze your abs and squeeze your butt. Okay, again, come down, touch the kettlebell on the ground, and drive through the heels as you stand tall. Okay, one more time. Come down, hips back and down, and then stand tall. So from there, we're going to add a high pull as we extend our hips. Okay, so you're going to stand using your legs, and then finish with your arms and shoulders as you finish with the handle of the kettlebell just under your chin. At the top, you want to try and make a V shape with your forearms, so your elbows should be nice and high, right, as if you're finishing off zipping up your jackets. All right, so the order is you use your legs coming up, lower body, and then use your upper body coming up to finish, and then coming down, you're going to extend your arms first, and then bend at the knees as you get into the setup position. Okay. For the Sumo Deadlift type pose, you want to be using your hips predominantly, and then shoulders should be just guiding the path of the kettlebell. So when you're doing this movement fast, it should look like this. Notice that Coach Pedro is popping the kettlebell using the power of his hip extension every time. He's not actively pulling the kettlebell with his arms and shoulders every time.